What's poppin', everyone? It's your favorite snack person, Papa Popcorn, back, and it's a new year. Time to try some new snacks. It's been a while. I've been trying to hoard up on some snacks, so I got some content to shoot. This episode is going to be sponsored by Sudan, and that's because you boys got some Sudanese snacks here to try. Let's go with my goodie bag of stuff here. Thank you, yes, for getting this for me. I really do appreciate it. I like trying weird foods, not just from Japan, but from anywhere. But of course, that's what we got. Oh, drop something. Do I have another one? I got another one. It'll be fine. I'll pick it up later. Let's see. We got. What are we gonna do first? Okay, so this I can't do right now. This requires me to cook it. Vegetable flavored. Looks like ramen, but this is in several different languages. Oh, geez. Yeah. Plus, I'm going to have to do some measurements here. Milliliters to liters. This is America. We don't do that here. This is what I was told were Ninja Turtle cookies. Do they have anything to do with the Ninja Turtles? No. They just have the Ninja Turtles on the packaging. Not going to eat this right now. I've already tried it. Delicious. So these will be a good snack later. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, okay, we got this. Let's go with something that's dangerous right now. We got this. I don't know if you can see it. It looks just like I don't know. I mean, honestly, it looks like dirt, like just a clump of dirt. Packaging has nothing on it. It's just like a half ball. That looks like meat. I got too close. My bad. But yeah, just like a. Oh, oh! This smells like wheat or something. I was thinking this was gonna be like masapan, which just breaks me open, but this thing is firm. And I got some more of those. We're gonna put those there, and I got me some water for the just in case everything goes wrong. But let's give this a try. Oh God, that was hard to do. Oh no, oh no, I don't know what to do with that. Oh, I need some water. It's killing me. I want to say it's tamarind, maybe. I don't know, but that's not. Oh, I got two more for anyone who wants them. Yeah, I'm scared of all this other stuff. Let's eat this right here. This one looks safe. Biscuit with marshmallow. It's a tata. Oh my God. You know what? Uh, uh, tastes like raisins. That's what it tastes like, and I am not a fan of raisins. But that is what I'm getting. Let's cover this up with some chocolate. There we go. It's kind of crooked, but the whole thing's covered in chocolate here. Looks like I got a cookie, something in between. So with marshmallow, but the only question is where's the marshmallow? Oh, there it goes. Look, there's a little sliver right there, marshmallow. Very deceiving from the picture here. I see a whole chunk of marshmallow. I get this little tiny thing right here. But this thing is delicious. Oh, it's good. Wow, I'm eating that whole thing. And this is what we got. We got some. What is this? Hard candy. It says LMLI. Focus, Brad. Focus. Come on. Let's try this. I feel like I might instantly spit this out after whatever the heck that thing was. It was sweet, but now it kind of just feels like I'm eating like a. Now I feel like I have sand in my mouth. It was sweet, and then turned into like that raisin flavor again. Maybe tamarind or something, and then it just kind of turned like I was chewing dirt. Kind of hard, a little dangerous. You boys got tooth problems. I chipped a tooth on bacon, so I'm not trying to do it again. But that was not as strong as that first thing. I'll tell you that right now. Oh, look, we got cardamom gum. Bro's not going to be chewing that right now. I'll chew that on a different little episode. Special mint. This looks like they ripped off like the spearmint logo right here. But see, it's double. Maybe it's double mint. Maybe it's the Sudanese version of double mint. Since I can't chew. Oh, so spearmint and peppermint. There you go. Two mints, because it's on the English side. I can read right here. We're going to chew that another day, and I'll let you guys know how it is, because chewing gum's not great. Let's see what we got here. We got La Fresh croissant here. Gluten, milk, soy, hazelnut, eggs, all the good stuff. There's an expiration date on this. I held on to these for a little while because I was like trying not to die. Your boy had some issues. Oh, look, and this is the XL version. Ooh. Well, I can tell you right now, this thing has definitely seen better days, but did come from a different country, so you know, it's gonna have a little bit of roughage on it, but I mean, all in all, it looks like the hazelnut. Ooh, it's probably like filled with Nutella. Is content. It's just a nice little like croissant looking roll thing here. What it is? It does say croissant. Croissant. Mm. No, that's pleasant. That's kind of like eating a donut. It's got a little like cinnamon to the bread. That's good. Yeah. Not very sweet, but sweet enough because, I mean, if they just packed it with so much hazelnut, you wouldn't be able to taste the bread. I personally like pastries, breads. This reminds me of things I would get from Mexico that my stepdad would bring. Bread's got that nice texture to it. It's very firm. It's got a nice chewability. The hazelnut's not overly sweet, so I don't feel like I'm going to get a cavity or anything just from eating in that. That's delicious. I'm finishing that after this video. Alright, go to the bread, so I gotta chew it. Alright, now we got Delicio. Got 8 sticks. Your boy was also holding off on eating some stuff because I had to get me some bags to save all this stuff. I don't need all this stuff all at the same night. I need to take a little taste, give you guys my opinion of it, and then I save it for later. And your boy's poor, so he had to buy himself the bag, so that's why it took a little bit longer, okay? But, oh, look at these. They're like little sugar wafers. See a little small one. Obviously, the American ones are a lot bigger, but so are Americans. So, you know, makes sense. But this is Milk King Deep Taste. Oh, milk, okay. Oh, let me drink some water. Let me try that. Let me try that again. I'm gonna be honest. Do I get milk? No. don't know what flavor this is supposed to be. It just tastes like wafer. I mean, it's still very light. Like, I could probably eat like a million of these things. But, maybe if I take it apart, come apart. Nope, its bond is strong like my friendships. Okay, but all in all, that's a great snack. I can see why they put 8, otherwise you'd eat freaking the whole container if it was more. Well, that's not bad at all. That's actually really good. I like that, even though, like I said, I can't get really flavor at all from it. This thing still, oh, it's haunting my nightmares. It's like a cork. Well, and now we go to some beverages. I got this Barbican. It's got strawberry on here. I'm thinking it's strawberry flavored. Strawberry flavored. I was told this was kind of like a non-alcoholic beer, and then I got Pasquianos. I don't know. I thought this was kind of like an energy drink thing because it was such a small container. But they told me this is a small size. It's a soda type thing. You're my witnesses if I die. Water here if it's disgusting. I'm not a real big beer drinker. 111 calories. All right. It was going to expire in March anyways, so. Cap even tells you which way to spin it. You got that? No. I need an actual camera so I can film good videos. Ooh. Ooh. Sorry. You can smell the strawberry in that. That's a strong strawberry. That's good. I like that. Mm. You know, it says malt beverage, but honestly, this is just a freaking soda. That's what this is. This is a strawberry soda. Not like your Fanta, but probably like more like a, I don't know, it tastes like real fruit type of thing. If that makes sense to you. Now to Pastianos, which I got some Arabic writing. And then this just says it's got a. This just says it's death in a can. Fructo flavor, Futto flavor. I have no clue what fruit that is, but again, you guys are here if I die. You all are witnesses. Sudan killed me if this does it. Let me see. Oh, it's like a bubblegum smell to that. Yeah, it's like bubblegummy. Ooh, I like that smell. Okay, hold on, wait. Let's get this. Let's get the strawberry out my mouth there real quick. Okay. Carbonated water. No, this thing is flat. Expires 6 months from date of production. All these things had dates of production on it, which I guess is how they do things over there. But I mean, it's got like a bubblegummy taste, which is not bad, but it's not carbonated. I don't enjoy that. I'm a big soda guy. Everyone knows my Mountain Dews and whatnot. But I bet you that'd be real good carbonated. Not super overly sweet either. Get off my screen. I don't know what's happening. Find me. This thing's doing stuff. I don't know why there's a dot on here. Turn the dot off. No, I don't want the dot. Okay, whatever. Dot's there. Good. This is good. I don't know where you get that from, but that's delicious. This thing, like I said, if I could try it carbonated, I would. But came from different countries, so I understand. Probably also hot as crap over there. So yeah, I got all the sodas now building up in me. But we also do have some American snacks to try. We've got the most Oreo. This is basically an Oreoception. It's Oreo inside of Oreo. I don't know if you can see that. It's like specks there. It's cookies and cream. Look at it, guys. But it's cookies and cream. This thing's like triple stuffed. It's basically cookies and cream. If those were cake flavors, it'd be delicious. Super sweet though. We also got Dr. Pepper Peeps in time for Easter. Yeah, everyone, I wish diabetes for you all. The babies, diabetes. Jesus. This is what they should do for everything. Like, we wouldn't be so fat if we couldn't even packages. Dr. Pepper Peeps. Here we go. Let's open this up. Do I care about saving these? No, because these are probably like the most like destructive Easter candy there is. My wife likes to put them in the microwave, watch them blow up. They go from this to big birds. Let's see. They smell like nothing. Don't look at me with those eyes. Staring at me. Surprisingly. Gosh. These taste just like Dr. Pepper. I'm not even joking. I wanted to hate these so much. I wanted to be like, ew, these are gross. This is freaking... It's not even that sweet. These are freaking Dr. Pepper Peeps. Oh my god. These taste so much like Dr. Pepper. I can't believe it. Yeah, that is... Never mind. I'm saving those. Those aren't going in the trash pile. I might buy more. Those are amazing. Emily, shout out to you, Dr. Pepper. You gotta try this if you haven't. We got some marshmallow crispy treat M&Ms. So these are Rice Krispie treat M&Ms basically. These are at Sheetz. This is the only place I've seen them is at Sheetz. So little tiny ones, kind of like the crispy M&Ms. I need to wash it out. I was excited for these. Tastes like Rice Krispies? No. It was just like white chocolate. I wish they would have had that crispy center. These might have, but I don't know. There's not. They're just not hitting the spot. I had high expectation for those, and I'm kind of disappointed. We've got two kinds of Doritos. We got Tangy Ranch and we've got barbecue. These are featured in the latest Super Bowl ad. The barbecue, not the... Oh, it smells like Fritos. That's a barbecue chip. That's not bad at all. It's basically a barbecue tortilla chip. It's kind of darkish. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Oh. That was a lot better than I thought. I thought this would taste gross. Doritos. I'm a big fan of Doritos. I like Doritos. Doritos and Mountain Dew, they go together, right? We've got Tangy Ranch. see how these go. Oh, it's kind of a funky smell. Plus, I gotta drink this water. All these diabetes coming through me. Gotta get the sugar out right. Here we go. Let's try it. Let's see. Oh my God. Ooh. This thing is like Cool Ranch, like 5 levels up. Oh. It's something on my tongue too. It is. Ooh. Tangy is the word. That is 100% right. Oh, wow. Those are actually, I don't know about barbecue ones are less intense. Those are intense as hell. Oh. Oh, so intense. Oh, okay. Okay. Now, I've been waiting for this. This is 100% diabetes right here. Boom. Peeps Pepsi. That's right. This is basically marshmallow Pepsi. This has 138% sugar in it. I don't remember. I have to go back and check out the other video. I'm pretty sure this has more than the Coca-Cola Starlight that came out. But I'm just glad Pepsi decided to release their limited edition thing in a bottle that I can drink. I'm tired of trying to win stuff. Stop doing that to me, Pepsi. There we go. Oh, nice carbonated sound. It smells like marshmallow Pepsi. Here we go. Oh, I do not like that aftertaste. That aftertaste is, I don't know, it tastes like soap to me. Like a citrus kind of taste, but I don't know. Citrus always tastes kind of like a citrus floral. I always get soap taste from that. It doesn't taste overly sweet, but I'm sure my body can feel the 138% sugar in it, and I don't want it to shut down. So that's all we're going to drink for now. I'd actually probably rather just take another sip of this Barbican. Oh, yeah, that's nice. That's pleasant. Well, that's it for this time. I'm going to grab more stacks. Easter's coming around. I got more sodas coming out, cereals, whatnot. So I will post another video once I can round up another supply of goodies that I can do a video for you guys. But, oh, I was going to say, why is this thing making my mouth look big? Hello. But, until then, I'll see you guys later.